Hi there, students. Extant, an adjective. Extant means something that is still in existence. It hasn't disappeared. Yeah? It's still alive and not extinct. Don't confuse it with extinct, because extinct is the complete opposite of this. There are still some extant records from the 15th century about this, about what happened. Okay, surviving. Yeah, something that's extant. It's something that's very old and it still exists. Yeah, it hasn't disappeared. There are only three extant copies of this book remaining in existence. Okay, so extant, still existing, not destroyed. This is the only extant copy of this television program. For example, I'm a great Doctor Who fan, and there are some early episodes that are no longer extant. They no longer exist. They've been lost. Yeah, they've been destroyed or thrown away. Yeah, the BBC deleted them. Okay, so extant, still existing, not been lost, not destroyed. Okay, so the only extant copy of this book dates from 1522. So extant, in existence, existing, remaining, surviving, living, undestroyed. Yeah, something that is currently around, it's living. Yeah. The opposite of non-existent, the opposite of extinct, or even the opposite of non-extant. Yeah, so this episode of the series is non-extant. Okay, so extant, still existing, still surviving. Okay, this is quite a formal literary word. I would use this word in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think I would give it 7.5 in formality. Extant, would I use it? No, definitely not in an informal conversation. Existing, yeah, alive, alive and kicking, around, something like that. And then the origin comes from the Latin word extans, means existent or extant, from exto, ex, out of, and sto, standing. So it's still standing effectively. It hasn't fallen to pieces. Okay, so extant, something old that continues to exist, is still in existence. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Extant.